Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy options on IBKR. First, open your Trader Workstation or IBKR mobile app and log in. It's crucial that your account has the necessary permissions for options trading, so confirm that beforehand. Once logged in, search for the underlying stock you're interested in and then locate its option chain to view available contracts. This chain displays various strike prices and expiration dates, helping you choose the right option. After finding the option chain, you'll need to select the specific contract. Decide if you want to buy a call option if you believe the stock price will rise, or a put option if you expect it to fall. Next, choose an expiration date. This is when the option contract expires. Finally, pick a strike price, which is the price at which the underlying asset can be bought or sold. Consider factors like implied volatility and time decay. With your chosen option contract, it's time to place the order. First, enter the number of contracts you want to buy. Remember, one contract usually represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Then, select your order type. A limit order is often recommended as it allows you to specify the maximum price you're willing to pay. Always double-check all the details, including the premium, before hitting the Submit button to ensure accuracy. Once your order is filled, it's crucial to actively monitor your open options positions. Market conditions can change rapidly, impacting your options value. You might consider setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses or take-profit orders to secure gains automatically. Remember, options are time-sensitive, so be aware of the expiration date. Also, if you're looking to enhance your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Closing your position involves placing an opposite order to sell your contracts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.